Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the on time, on target play of the day. Let's get the sharing straightened away. It says it's paused. All right, there's the opening bell. Let me get up on another screen, try to share it out. Okay, there's what we have for sharing it out. We just had the opening bell. You have four screens in front of you, S&P 500 on the left. You have Red Hill, which is over here, biopharma firm going long. It's up 7%. You have ZEV, which I like as far as the electric play, and you up 8%. And then you have this KPLT, again, a class action lawsuit against it is what we're looking for the short there. Market could kind of go either way. It's pretty flat, so we'll take a look at these. I do like the backup in KPLT right now, so we'll call that first. All these are going long. So KPLT, really, we're looking for a 5-cent stop, so at 494. That would put us in at 489. Boy, that's going to be kind of too tough to do unless this thing stabilizes up there. I wouldn't feel comfortable taking such a small stop. And again, you've seen this before where we didn't cover the high of the day and took a different entry point here. All right, so 493, 488. Yeah, we're just not going to get an entry on this thing. It's already well below where we would need to take it again. I would, math shows you 493 up here, then down to 486. So let's bail on that. We're not going to get an entry point. Let's look at the ZEV though. I do like the fact it was up here at 960. We're looking at a 10-cent stop here. If we do it 913, we're looking at 923 to the upside going back long here. I would like to see this sell off hard. So we're going to probably won't be able to have a 10-cent stop, probably take more like a 15-cent stop. We'll see before this thing reverses again. This is all profit taking right here, and we're looking for it to reverse and go back higher. Sorry, let's take it at 915. It'll be a 12-cent stop. 915 going long if it hits. There it hits, so 915 going long, 12-cent stop, covers down to 903, which is the 2 cents below the low of the day. So again, that's right here where we took it at 915. There's the arrow so you don't get confused. And of course, zooming in here a little bit to give us that better look at it. Okay, it's right at that low of the day. So you gotta, if it hits 903, we're out. It hadn't hit it yet. But got to be ready just to walk this one off if it hits. Don't stay in it. Okay, looks like it's stabilized there. Again, we have a 12 cents. That makes it 927 for the first R. That makes 939 for the second R, and then 951 for the third R, which it already was back. It was already right there, what, a minute and a half ago. So that's a good sign. Ooh, look over here. This RDHL, man, really took off straight up. So that is a good looking chart. But where do you enter that, right? So that's the hard part. Okay, it held our 903 low. We're up over 1R here, and again, it's got some positive momentum. So we'll keep a look on this ZEV. KPLT would not have worked short anyway. Let's take a look at some other names. You know how Apple had a huge move up yesterday? I'd say 3%. So I wouldn't mind if it sold off a little bit yesterday. But again, we did the show yesterday on the iPhone 13 being a satellite phone and some other capabilities that it may have. So that was obviously a banner day for Apple. It's going to be tough for it to crack that 155 level. So not too concerned about it. Okay, get ready to exit the trade here. We're in at 915. We're up an R, touched 2R there. Again, 951 is the exact exit point that we're looking for. So just have that set up. But 2.5 minutes of green here, certainly like that. All right, let's look at some others. Luckin Coffee. I almost did the show on Luckin Coffee today, but I tend to do that too much. But Luckin Coffee, today is the last day you can trade it openly in the United States. After today, i.e. tomorrow, weird way of saying that, but yeah, tomorrow you can only do liquidation type orders. So if you have 10,000 shares, you can't even just sell half. You have to sell all. So liquidation or nothing. And I don't know that there's going to be a time for that's going to change. All right, here comes our trade there. We're out of it 951. It even blew through it, but take the 3R and be out. So to recap the trade, we watched this open up here. We said we needed to come down a little bit. So it got down here to 915, went down to 905. We did a 2-cent cover, which good thing we did, otherwise it'd been out. We did a 2-cent cover. We took it going north here at 915 and then covering at 903 with 12-cent R. So 1, 2, 3 R's out at 951. Trade complete for the day. All right, very nice.